What's up? What's up, guys? Back at it again. Today, game dev stream. Though, back at game dev. Let me turn down the music a bit. It's a bit loud for me, so yeah, that's good. Alright. Yeah, late stream today, actually. I had a lot of things to do today. I worked late too, and after that, I had to cook with a friend that I haven't seen for a long time. So yeah, but now I'm able to stream or to go live again. So pretty excited. My GitHub. Okay, go. What's that? All right. Let's see. How's the bitrate? I think it's stable. No? Yeah, I think it's good. All right. I think we're set to go. Cool. All right. So where were we last time? Yeah, I've been working on the heart problem, right? Yeah, like on the HUD, on the HUD problem, we were not. I wasn't able to implement it correctly, like the collision part with the ghost. So if we touch the ghost, we should lose hearts, right? So the first heart was working, so we basically would touch the ghost and we would lose the first heart. But the other hearts were not working, so the collision event was not really working as appropriately. And then it was working very fast, so at the first collision, we would lose, like in a blink of an eye, we would lose all hearts, which also not what we want. So I have been able to, like, I set a timer, defined an invincibility timer now, and we say that as long as this timer is bigger than 0, we should decrement it, but we start with 0. And the collision effect, or this invisibility timer, only works when it's 0. So we initialize it with 0, and it's 0, and we would collide. We go in here, and we set it to 60. Like, it's if my game is running at 30 FPS, this should be 2 seconds. So this gives the player literally 2 seconds of like a break or a boss time or invisibility, so the player can step out of the ghost, or let's say of the collision, so he doesn't lose all hearts. So that's the theory here. Let's test it. Not sure, not sure if it works, but let's say it works. You can see. All right, so we're here, and let's so let's try this invisibility timer. So we're gonna collide with the ghost now. If we collide the first time, we lose the first heart, and we have invisibility time, so we have to go out, and then we collide with the ghost again. Nice. So that's the first heart. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Nice. Okay, let's go. Let's fucking go. Nice, dude. Okay, so that works, I guess. Nice. Okay, so collision effect. Where is my... Alright, what do you want to do? I still want to add some effects to the collision event. So basically working on it. Now it works at least. So that's something, I guess. And yeah, gonna work on some other things too. All right, what do we got? Da-da-da. Change colors of all ghosts. Yeah, this actually I really want to work on the movement of the ghosts, so we gotta work, make them move. However, they should be moving constantly or always. Like as soon as the level begins, they should be moving. Yeah, it's not sure. It's also something I have to work on. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So last game dev stream, we also were working on shooting bullets, and yeah, so this works. We shoot bullets, but if I'm not mistaken, it always shoots in the same direction. So if yeah, okay, shit, that's not good. Gotta work on changing the direction of the player so it shoots the correct way. Uh, how do we work on that? I think it's because of here we set the sprites, but we do not change direction. So when we set here, I want object direction, so something like that. Direction. Is that something? I guess direction is, what do we have left? Is that something? Um, okay, that's weird. Mm, uh, okay, I'm confused. What do we get here? Mm, object. Uh, yes. What do we get here? Movement speed, direction. Okay, so I can always change the angle, but if I change the angle, actually, this could work. Yeah, let's change the angle. Image angle is set to 180. Does this work? Let's try. Okay. Now, if I turn left, I hope that this sprite setting. Shit. Okay, it doesn't work anymore. Look how it's worked. How it's. This looks shit. Okay. So it's not the angle. I'm pretty sure it's the direction, but I don't know how to change the direction exactly. Not sure actually. Okay, what do we have? That we have. Okay. Direction. I don't know what can I set it to? Left? Like is there some is that something what? This, no, this should work. Not sure this works. This is not a variable that I mm, let's say okay, so where's my shooting event? Okay, so this is the okay, interesting. Mm, I don't like this. Do, 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 do. How do I delete? What's the shortcut of deleting a line? Very fast. Whatever. Okay, so this is not it. Okay. Mm, let's see. Du- 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 du. Ooh, ooh. All right. This is is working. But if player turns left, let's still shoot to the right. Not to the direction. This right is at change this right to direction player. Now to solve this ability. Okay, let's see what we get. All right, so we we want to know which direction the player currently looking at. So we have to track. So we have to track the direction of the player. every time we're moving. So I thinking how to do that. Um, Okay, I think the direction. So I think the direction, like how I was working with it before, like this, also works with the same as image angle. So I think it literally doesn't matter if the sprite is flipping but not the object. It's actually not, doesn't matter. So let's say um ah wait, my eye. Alright. So we wanna create um initial initial what do we have here? Initial direction. And player direction is equals to 0. And here we gotta say um if variable instance direction, no, how's it called? Instance exists, yeah, that's it. Exists ID direction. I think this should work. This should work now. What are we taking direction? Well, actually, we are taking layer direction is equals to 0. We don't need to this. Do we want it to be like that, or do we want to have create? Direction. Direction. Can I do this? I cannot, fortunately. Now it's getting declared 2 times. I don't like this. No, it's not getting declared 2 times. It's actually getting initialized 2 times. And that's also shitty. Not sure why I have to do it like that. Whatever. Okay. Let's do it like that first now. So here we have movement, logic, setting, direction. So when we go right, we set to 0. When we go left, we set player direction. Oops. Player direction to 180. And we go down, set player direction to 270 if I'm not mistaken. Let's try that. And if we go to the 90, yeah, should work. And now shooting. If we're shooting, instance create layer. Yes. Bullet. Oh, but I need a variable here. Wait. I need my bullet now. Bullet. Let's say bullets. Variable bullets. I can come down here and I say bullets is equals to this instance object bullet, and I go to bullets point. Oh, nice. That's exactly what we want. Direction is player direction. Oh my god. Does this work? Shooting logic. Wait. Let's write some comments here so we know what we're doing. Here we are setting the bullets direction to match the player's direction. So that's what we're doing here. And I think it should work. Okay. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, so now, alright, we're shooting to the right. If we go left, nice. Okay, the movement is correct and the sprite is set correctly. Now we're shooting. Nice. Okay, wait. Okay, it's still creating the bullet 8 pixels in front, which looks ugly. This looks uglier. This looks way ugly. Okay, so okay, but we are shooting in the right direction now, so we are setting the right direction. Let's fucking go. Nice. Let's go. Okay, cool. Now I know we should work on this here. Where do we want it? Like, I want it exactly always at the front, but oh, wait. I should take, yes, I know. I think I need to take player direction +8, right? No. Player direction. Does this work? Point X. Does this? No. this. Wait, let's try this. Let's try this. I'm not sure if it makes sense. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, okay. Never mind. That's not it. It's not it at all. But but we we're making progress. We're making progress. It's okay. That's cool. That's cool. I'm happy with this. Now we have to get. Alright, skip this one and let's keep working. Um, okay. I'm thinking about it. What was that? Okay, so now so when we're shooting a bullet to create a direction. Yes, that's what we're doing. And our bullet does have speed, yeah? Yeah, we have that. So if we look at the bullet here, so we have the speed set to 2, that's all what we need. Like, the bullet doesn't need anything else. I think it looks good. So the thing that we have to work on is now is um, it's not left direction, it's X, but okay, maybe I should. Is there really no? What I'm thinking about now is to make to write if statements for every direction. Say if we're looking right, bullets should equals to this x plus 8. So, but if we're looking left, it should be x minus 8 if I'm not mistaken. And okay, I want to try it with a minus this and see if it works for like this. Exactly, it should be behind it, but for left, it should look good. Yes, exactly. Like that's what we need. And here, how does it look? Yeah, that's not cool. Okay, okay. Let's see, let's see. Is there a dynamic way to solve this? Can't think of any. Maybe a switch case. Maybe. I mean, yeah. Let's just. I will try it with statements. So, okay. Like this. We tap this. Here we have if. What do we got? Okay, so what we want to do is we gotta, yeah, we gotta write an if statement for every direction, and every direction we change the value here. So the bullet is actually created at the correct position. So if you're looking at the right, I want the bullet to be like created at the X position of the player +8, not minus. But we're looking at the left, it needs to be -8. So it actually looks like it's being created in front of the player. So like it's coming out of the player. So that's the correct position, that's what we want. And I right now I can't think of a smarter way to solve this other than if statements for every direction. So I think I'm just gonna make 4 if statements for every direction, and that should be it. So if uh, player direction is equal to 180, then what the hell? Come on. Okay, this. Then we do this. So Lord Muff, thank you for the follow. Hello, hello. What's up? Yeah, Game Maker. Exactly. I am working with Game Maker Studio. Thank you for the follow. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Yes. um, I'm not sure if you noticed, but I'm trying to make a replica, or not a replica, like a smaller version of Pac-Man. Like, the legacy childhood game of everyone, you know, and I'm trying to learn game development by making like this small version. And so far, yeah, that's what we're working on. And right now, I'm working at shooting bullets. So as you see now, we're not shooting bullets in the right direction, but we're shooting bullets in the left direction. Well, this is actually progress from last time. It's in my latest short on YouTube. Like we were like the first time we were shooting bullets, we were technically shooting bullets here in front of the player, but if we turned around, we were still shooting in this direction. So we basically were shooting from our ass. So yeah, yeah, the classic Pac-Man stuff. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just trying like to make trying to make a Pac-Man with small tweaks, like some twists in and there, like not the exact same Pac-Man, but with some tweaks, just as a let's say as a process of learning game development, because I'm still in the learning process, and yeah, I'm trying to help myself or teach myself that by doing this. So yeah, yeah. Uh, well, yeah. I was just working on fixing the direction of the bullets. So right now we're actually I was able to track down the direction of the player, so the bullets are actually shooting in the correct direction. So if we're looking right, we're shooting to the right. If we're looking left, we're shooting to the left, and so on. But now I want to also create the bullet at the correct position. Before it was at +8, and this would create it in front of the player if we're looking right. But if we're looking left, this would look as if the bullet is getting created behind the player, and we do not want that. So if we're looking left, we want to change this value to -8, and it will still look as if the bullet is still created in front of the player. So yeah, I can't think of a smarter way to to solve this problem. I'm pretty sure there's a smarter way, but they do. That's exactly the point. That's the problem. I think that's my problem. My sprites, like this is the player sprite. I'm using different sprites and they have an origin at the middle. And that's why if I take um oops this if I go here and take X and Y only, it looks like it's getting exactly literally from the middle of the sprite, and that doesn't look like very good. And that's why I'm taking, like, let's say X plus Y and or X minus Y 8 and plus 8. So it like it looks a bit as if the bullet is created in front of the, or it's getting out of the mouse, let's say, of the mouse, you know. All right, you don't want it to spawn inside the player. Exactly, yeah, but in front depending on his direction. Exactly. That's exactly the point. And that's why we are adding or subtracting 8. Yeah, that's exactly the. And right now, the only solution that I can think of is just literally a small if statement for every direction. So if we're looking on the left, we do this and we say it's x minus y 8, and yeah, this should be the correct one. Just copy this and do it for right, do it here. So if the player direction is facing right, we should be able to create it here. And we do this for up. What's up? It's 90, right? Yeah. Actually, I don't like this. I'm gonna create this here so it makes sense. So 0, 90, and at 90, I think it doesn't need, it only need x, but we need y plus 8. No, it's going up, so it's minus. Yeah, that's also something that I learned about Game Maker. I actually wrote it in here in my notes. So here, notes noticed during development. So y values work differently in Game Maker, meaning if you go up, it means y value goes down, and if you go down, yeah, like it's crazy. All right, so we go y minus 8 here, and for the last one, we have here 270, and we go for y plus 8. Let's test this. I think this should work. All right, let's see. All right, this is looking correct. Nice. Okay, now down. All right, here we go. Let's fucking go. Nice. I love it. There we go. That's cool. Nice. Okay, we got that from got that off the to-do list. Cool. I'm pretty happy with this. That's cool. I'm not sure if I wanna also change the color of the bullets, but right now that's a minor, a secondary thing. Doesn't matter for now. So yeah. All right. Cool. We got the correct position and direction for the bullet. So we can close this. Thank you. uh, are you also a game dev? Do you also make the games, or what do you do? Uh, cool. Yeah, Unity is also nice. But yeah, for a small thing like this, I thought Game Maker is the way to go, like simple things. And yeah, but nice. What kind of games do you do? Have you developed, um, done games before, or also just making stuff there and there? Yeah, yeah, 2D. Like if there's an engine that literally is a master of 2D games, it's Game Maker. Like it, it its strong side is 2D games, but 3D it's not a Game Maker studio thing. So yeah, Then if you guys got some Steam release too. Oh, nice. But with zero budget, so it's pretty invisible, but it works. Well, it's it only takes time, dude. That's it's okay. As as Thor would say, Pirate Software. I don't know if you know him, but yeah, just keep making games. Just keep making games. That's awesome. Yep. Uh, dun, 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 dun. What kind of game did you release actually? Wanna look it up, see. Dun, 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 dun. Hmm. Ba, ba, da, 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 ba, da. I wanna skip this one. That's better. All right. I just realized that I have GameMaker opened on my wrong Steam account, but that's okay. On my private game account. Old school 2D platformer with a twist of having 99 lives to finish the game. You can deal with the devil to spend some lives to get power-ups, or inflict curses that make levels harder, but if you win, you get lives back. Damn, that sounds pretty awesome actually. It sounds pretty interesting. Nice. Well, what's the game called? Like, is it still on Steam or do you have a demo or something? About you, I can't live without you. Don't you do crazy about you, can't live without you. I'm also planning on making like a small platformer. I love platformers actually. It's still there, yeah. Also has a free demo on it. It's called Saturn. Okay. Yeah, platformers are pretty cool. I love them. Let me check that out. All right. Ah, I see. Oh, I actually know that game. Damn, I actually know it. I saw it before somewhere. Yeah, yeah, I saw it actually before. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I think I saw it on a stream or something. I'm not sure. Or somebody talked about it. I think somebody talked about it on a stream and they looked it up. That's why how I saw it. I can't remember when or how, but I think I saw it before. Just released at the beginning of this year. Yeah. You have 19 positive reviews. It's actually cool, dude. It's nice. Pretty nice. I'm crazy. Can't live without you. Yeah, yeah, that's nice. Don't worry about visibility or something like that. Just comes. Just keep making games and getting. Uh, yeah, exactly. It's still a win, definitely, absolutely, dude. Like, I think even these 19 positive reviews are still like this something. Like, it's still a feedback, and feedback matters, and feedback is pretty important. And yeah, so that's cool. Pretty awesome. Keep it up, dude. I like I wish I would be able to like publish something on Steam, but I'm still not in the position. Like I have nothing. I know I still don't. I still know a lot of. I don't know a lot of things, and I have no ideas to make a game. So yeah. Yes, yes, definitely. That's the plan. Just don't stop. Not gonna stop. Gonna keep working and yeah. All right. So where were we? Do you also stream, or do you only work on your games? No streaming. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. I I've always like I watch a lot of streams actually. When I have time, when I have the time even, to watch streams. So yeah, I thought I really wanna like start with this with my game development journey. I wanted to share my process, share the development process and the teaching process or the learning process while I'm still learning game development and everything. And yeah, so yeah, and so far it has been awesome actually. So I've been streaming, let's say, for 2 months now regularly. Like the last 2 months have been pretty nice actually. Like streaming wise, I've been able to stream regularly and like publish updates, post updates on social media and some videos, some shorts, some highlights of this game that I'm trying to make. And yeah, I'm actually quite nice. It just I'm like it doesn't matter if you get views or like feedback or something. It just I'm happy with it. I want to do it and yeah, just keep doing that. No, no, I had no experience in game design before. Like I literally have no idea. I just love games. Games have always been my passion, and I really love them. And like I started with, let me open a sprite here for a sec. Yeah, yeah, that's how I gotten so far in 2 months. So I started here, like this is what I started in a sprite. It started, let's say, as if we hide everything, it started literally with this. See some good stuff there. Ah, thank you, thank you. Well, I'm a programmer. Like that's something, of course. I'm a programmer. I just don't have experience in game development, but I do know a lot of stuff about programming. So I've studied for 3 years at the university. I did not make it, unfortunately. I did fail one module, so I was not able be able to study or to continue studying. So I started an internship at a company uh, in the same field within programming or in software development, let's say software development and application development. And yeah, I am still in my training as a trainee in at the company. I finished my first year, and now since last August now, um, I'm in my second year, and I still have 1 year in front of me, and um, I would have finished my internship, and I would be actually a software developer. So yeah, you have programming background and move to game design. Cool, pretty nice. So game design, I think you mean also like you do the art and all of that stuff, right? or do you only do programming? So do you program the game, or do you also work on art? Because I gotta tell you, I'm a terrible artist. So I have pretty much like I have a lot of respect for people who can like do a lot of very nice pixel art and 2D art and this like an A-Sprite can do a lot of things, but if it's in the right hand. Like, if you look at my shit here, like it doesn't look that amazing, but I've never worked with with art before, so yeah. Editable art, but you mostly work on game concept rules and stuff and all the. Oh, that's pretty cool. I love that. That sounds pretty awesome, actually. Yeah, so that's what we're trying to build here right now. I wanna I wanna get to this stage here, and right now we are. Wait, where's my game maker? Here. We're here. So that's how far I am. Still, I still don't find the time for everything, but I'm still trying to find time always to work on the game on regular basis, and I'm always happy to work on it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I've I I've been loving it actually. It's pretty awesome. Okay, well, what am I listening to? The hell? Right, it's better. Right. Yeah, definitely. Like having fun, that's actually the most important part. I absolutely agree. Right. Okay. What did I want to fix? I wanted to fix something else. Uh, we want the bullets to get destroyed. Yeah, okay. We go to the bullets and we add a collision with first. Let's add this. All right. Uh, how did we do this here? Gotta look it up. Okay, we set it like this. Well, this should not matter here. I actually don't need this. This doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, we wanna just say if it collides, it should destroy the instance. I think I don't need to write anything here. I just need to say how's it called? Instance destroy or something? ID and do I is there another parameter? That I need the ID. You don't need the ID if it destroys self you want. Oh, I can just say self, right? Does this work? Yeah, I think this works. Okay, let's test it. Oh, instance destroy also works. Yeah, that's true. Okay, I wanna test it here. Cool. Awesome. Oh, but that okay. This okay. Cool. Nice. Nice. This looks weird because it's pretty close to it, I guess. Yeah, it's because it's close. So if I'm really close to the wall, because it's the bullet is getting created like somewhere here. You know, it's like y plus 8 here, and that's why it's getting created. But it's working. So yeah, cool. Okay, nice. I got it. And because it's in the uh, I think it's because in the bullet exactly, it's a feature, it's not a bug. Hell yeah. Yeah, absolutely. uh God. All right. Okay, this should work. Um, We want ghost. Give me the ghost. First event for the ghost. It's collision. It's colliding with a bullet. We want it to destroy itself too. Wait, how do I want to make this actually? Do I want the ghost to get destroyed, or do I want them to... Let's destroy them for starting. For starting, gonna destroy them, but I actually had something else in mind for them. Don't think they can both run their collision event if there's a destroy. You mean if I do this collision effect or event is so one of them has to delete both. Ah, shit. So it doesn't... Bullet deletes ghost then itself? That makes sense. Or ghost deletes bullet then itself. Well, that also makes sense actually. But we can do that. So ghost, we want bullet deletes itself. I mean, that should work too. Like if we are in the... Yeah, we're the object ghost. If we get hit by a bullet, we want... Where? No, no. We do not want this here. I'm gonna do it here. This should suffice here, I think. Do this. Here goes. You can define the object you've hit with the keyword other. That helps. Yeah, exactly. So that's what I was planning on. I was just thinking where to put the... where's the best place for the um, for the collision event, whether if I should just put it here in bullet or in ghost, but I think here in bullet should just work. And we say here instance destroy, and we say object how's it called, ghost. I think this should work. No, if I do this, let's test it. If it doesn't work, I don't know. Well, that works. Cool. But the bullet did just keep going, so we gonna also do this. Instance destroy. Like this. I hope this works. That's cool. Yeah, I know what you're I think I know what you're thinking about. Yeah, I know. I think if I hit one ghost now, every ghost in the room is gonna get destroyed, no? Is that what you mean? Let's add some ghosts. I think that's what I'm uh uh where is it? I'm just... Wait. Let's do this here. Let's do this here. You're here for the chaos. Yeah. You can see that. Okay. Nice. Let's go. We love it. Oh no. Shit. Lovely. Well, that's definitely an overpowered bullet that we're shooting here. Oh shit. Okay, what kind of options do we have here? Let's see. Okay, this. Okay. So I think I should not use object. That's for sure. But how do we control it so it literally only destroys the object that we're hitting? Well, this doesn't make sense because this event is a collision effect with the whole object, so I can't do this here. This doesn't make sense. Gotta think about it. Let's see. Got no other options, only one thing to do. Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Let's see this. Right. I'm gonna grab some water. Be right back. All right, I'm back. So, that's the thing, guys. I'm still also learning how events work in Game Maker and how to understand them correctly. And this event here, I think, does not make sense because this is a collision effect event with every object. Well, with object ghosts. So, yeah, if we have more objects of them or more instances of this object, then all of them are gonna get destroyed. But that's not what we want with any essence of that object. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what we had. Like, so if we collide with any instance, it's gonna get destroyed. But you can get reference to the specific one you hit. Yeah, I actually used this. Wait, where did I use this? I used this somewhere here in my old. Uh, can't remember where. Was it here? Yeah, here. Like I looked what the instance name of each heart here, like this instance reference of each heart, and that's how what I used here for the sprite, so emptying the heart. Yeah, that's definitely dangerous because this is bullshit. Like this, what I'm doing here, it's bullshit. Like I know that. That's definitely not good. Exactly. And you can't, like, I can't look up every fucking instance ID and build that into my code. Like this is also not a good um that's not good practice. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. That's the only case where it works. Like I have these three stationary constant hearts and I only got the three instance of them and that's how it works. So yeah. But here with our ghosts, and if I'm gonna spawn them randomly, and if I'm gonna spawn them here like after getting destroyed, I want, if I hit a ghost, I want them to disappear from here and get locked up in a box here. So that's what I want. and yeah, that's not gonna work if I wanna do this with the ID. But you said that I can get a reference. Question is now I have to find out how to do that. So we say, I think it's still instance destroy, and now I think an ID of something or its object goes point something, I guess. Point something. It's the keyword other. Is that, does that even, wait a second. It, what? That works? This exists? I did not know that. What the fuck? In the code for any collision event, there is a keyword you can use for the specific object you're colliding with. It's the keyword other. What? I did not know that, dude. Holy shit. Okay, this is crazy. And also, I think I'm in the wrong. Fuck. Wait. Control Z here. Like this. Yeah. We are here. Crazy. Other has some other uses in different cases, but in a collision event, yeah, that's what it does. Very useful. Okay, but for my understanding now, if I use other, this would like it destroy only the instance that we are colliding with, but not any other instance. Correct? Do I understand that's this correctly? Ah, okay, cool. That's pretty nice. So if we test this now, destroy this, works. Destroy that. Holy shit. But how fucking cool is that? Lovely. I fucking love it. Nice. Well, that's that. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Like I know that Game Maker is simple, but I did have some problems with like even like getting a description of a method. Like I wanna like read, and I sometimes I don't even know what kind of parameters do I or can I use with a certain method and etc. And like you say, like you said, it's like a little bit hidden somewhere, and yeah, that's kind of hard sometimes for me to like even think. Like that's the problem. Like even imagine that some of these things or methods or like exist. Like I can't even imagine that this already exists. Or so, oh God, how do I even do that? Like yeah, but that's cool. I think I just gotta try. I mean, I searched. Wait, I searched this before, and I think did I find it? Can't remember if I find it anywhere. Other should be here somewhere, no? Instructs and constructors to mimic what you do with classes in C Sharp, for instance. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly how this works. Yeah, yeah, it's weird, definitely. Wait, so if I go for autocompletion, at least the IDE should like suggest the keyword, but it does not, does it? It does not. This is actually very sad. Like, why doesn't it why doesn't it like suggest the keyword. Like, if there's a keyword other, why doesn't it suggest it? Like, that's pretty sad. And that's exactly my problem. Like, there are some keywords that do exist and could help me, but I do not know them. I just need to research more. I just gotta learn it, you know. That's okay. I'm still at the beginning, but yeah. Thanks for help. Cool. Okay. Okay. Okay, we still have the effect point, so I'm not gonna cross that off. That's secondary for now. Make player object shoot bullets. We did do that, so we can cross this off. Change bullet sprite. I also did that. Create bullet collisions. I'm still working on that. Make ghost object move. Oh, that's gonna be a challenge for me, at least at first. But when I figure it out, I think I'm gonna figure it out, yeah. Make ghost object move, collisions. We're still working on it. Yeah. Alright. Set up chain plane direction or image angle for bullets without impacting our movement. That should be our. But we did this too, so we can cross this off too. Cool. Making progress here. Okay. Nice. Let's see. We got that. Okay. And the collision with the walls. We also have that too. That should work. And this way around is also the better way. So if we collide with any instance of walls, we should just destroy the bullet. That makes sense. Now, player and ghost, we have that too. Yeah, what I also wanted to do is if we get hit by a ghost, the player should like be flashing, like in these old games when you or in any game, even in platformer, if you hit like something, an enemy, your character just flashes, like it goes out and on, off now, on, off and on, like it's like flashing. I I wanted to do it like that too, but that's still a secondary thing for now for me. I just wanted to classic damage blinking frames. Exactly. Yeah, yeah. That's exactly what I had in mind. Yep. So, yeah. But it's still like a secondary thing to work on, as long as um, we going like forward step by step, small steps. I would say, you know, I started by moving a box. That's how we start. Just start by moving a box, and we go further from that. That's that's we how we gonna do it. Yeah. All right. playlist is gonna end soon, I guess. And now the box is a PacMan that shoots bullets. Bullets. Hell yeah. Exactly. That's where we were at now. It's a PacMan that shoots bullets. Hell yeah. Wait, I gotta search for some other music. Can't listen to the other playlist I have. Let's see what we have here. That's a very nice guitar solo. I love the guitar. Alright, gonna listen to this now. I hope these videos are still copyright free. Damn. Right, okay. Alright. So, what do we wanna work on today to still have some things to do? Um, don't want the copyright commando to bust down your door. Well, no, absolutely not. But no, yeah, I don't use copyright music on stream. Don't. There's no need for that. So yeah, still chilling. Still chilling. Okay. Oh god, I really got distracted here for a bit. All right. Okay, we have everything closed. So we have this works too. Yeah, I wanted to implement this too. Yeah, true. True. Still working on that. Handle game over here as well as player. Almost all lives. Yeah. Okay. I worked with that a bit. Yeah, I did. I mean, this from affecting the player, you might want to trigger a game over state here. Why did I write this? Can't even remember. Because this doesn't even make sense. Wait, here we have one. But this is with the collide event. So we are colliding and we have only one heart. We're gonna empty this one heart. Gonna reduce it to 0. And okay, so yeah, it makes sense. So if it equals 0, if it's smaller or equals to 0, we are gonna tell the player, or we're gonna destroy. What are we gonna destroy? We're gonna destroy Instance destroy object player like this. Does this work? 2, 3. Ah, okay. It destroyed it on the collision after that. That's not what we want. Doesn't make sense. We want it here. Yeah, yeah. I actually thought about that. What the hell? Okay, like this. And actually, we don't need this. Doesn't make sense to me. Does not make sense. No. It's pretty funky. Yeah. I love this. Look at this. That's amazing. You know, that's what every programmer should do. Like, just take the instances, write this cool ID, and you got it. Oh God. But that's how I managed to do it. I had, yeah, magic numbers to be good. Hell yeah. Yeah, I really couldn't find another solution. I'm pretty sure there's definitely a way better solution, but gotta start somewhere. So yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Cool. The race, thankfully. Well, yeah. I haven't been able to do that, so. But I actually don't know why I couldn't do it. Like, that's pretty stupid. Like, what the hell is wrong with me? Now, bro. Yeah, I know. I did also test it, and that's why I said, okay, first, I just wanna get this to work in one room. That was the goal for starting now. So unless hearts are persistent in between rooms, but that's a whole other can of worms. Well, yeah, I mean, you can do that too. Like I can just persist the hearts, and they would have the same ID in the other room, and that would work. But persisting them also have persisting them has some other problems and has its own issues, as you said. So yeah, let's not open that door. Yeah, we're not gonna open that door. Gonna keep it for some other day. Okay, so I did this. Here we're gonna also implement. What do we want to hear? And game over alert. Oh, it's not an alert. Well, actually, it could work as an alert, but just game over window. Do it like this. Oops. Did not want that. Did not want that either. What the hell is going on? Yeah, like this. Right. Okay, so we got that. Wanna do this later? Someday. Some other day. Not today. I'm gonna write this on my to-do tool. Okay. This too. Do you know about the search shortcut? What search shortcut? Shortcut. I mean here? Not sure. In any other ID, yeah, I know about it, but not here. I mean this. Right, Control Shift F. You can press Control Shift. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, it's like literally just search and find and replace. Yeah, like in on any other editor. Yeah. Um, why? Why do you ask about it? Ah, okay. So you can search to do and you find all the places in the code where you still. Yeah, that's also pretty smart actually. Yeah. But yeah, I just keep like a small or a short to do thingy for my project here, and yeah, just keep in mind the things that I'm working on and try to keep it a bit structured. Some things have some other things in them. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's pretty useful. You're right. Yeah, because like this is still pretty small. Like this is not much, not a lot of objects and not a lot of events. But if this like scale, it it could escalate pretty quickly, and you would lose your the overview of the whole thing, and you would lose um, yeah, you would not be able to see anything anymore, and you would forget some stuff. So we don't want that. So yeah, that's pretty smart actually. Okay, so we got this today. Got that. Actually, I don't know what I want to work on right now. I'm pretty. Because I know that the other to-dos that I had are pretty, like for me, pretty challenging. Like getting the ghost to move. It's not that hard, but what I want is for them to be moving randomly first. Like the movement should be random around the map or in the map, and the movement should also be like automatically. So we enter the room or we enter the level, we start the game, and they are moving just randomly around the map. If they hit the wall, they should bounce back of the wall and move in the other direction, etc. All of that. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna work on next stream. I think that's the to do for next stream. I've been up for 1.5 hours now. I also, yeah, we came pretty far today actually with some help with a new follower actually today, so that was pretty nice. Thank you everyone for watching today. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you all. Appreciate the follows. Appreciate the chatting and the engagement. And what's today? Today is Friday. There's I think there's stream. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stream tomorrow too. And but short stream I guess, because I'm not gonna be home for the rest of the day. And also stream on Sunday, I hope. So yeah, hope to see you all next stream, and make sure to check out all my other links. Yeah, make sure to check out my socials. I have some videos and VODs. I also upload all of my VODs on YouTube, and I have some shorts there, and make sure to check them out. All right, thank you everyone. See ya. Peace. Have a good time. Bye bye.